Here's a quick way to clean your beauty blender. I use my Cinema Secrets to saturate the sponge to try to lift some of that foundation up out of there. And then I'm going to squeeze it under the water for a little bit. After that, I add some of my off-brand baby shampoo. Don't come for me. And so the process of cleaning a beauty blender is really simple. You're going to just squeeze and squeeze until you get all of that nastiness out of there. And then you should be good. Let me know if this technique works.